Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. My client has asked for a basic skin fade in this video. He normally keeps the top of his hair in braids and comes to see me right before he gets his hair braided. Now you guys already know I saved the best for last, so make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments are welcome in order to give this video more exposure so others can also watch it and learn. Now, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen. This way, you won't miss any more tutorials. Without further delay, let's begin. First, I'm going to establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. Next, I remove the hair from underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. Next, I use a foil shaver to create baldness on the sides. The one that I'm using is called the RPG by Caliber. To get rid of the bald line, extend your clipper's blade all the way out and create a small workspace. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Keep doing it until the line is erased. Just watch. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up with this guard without touching the hair that you separated all the way at the top. Close the blade and repeat the same step. For the remainder of this blend, I'm using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat without touching the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a half guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step until the demarcation is blended. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. Use a straight razor to bring out your lineup. If your skin fade looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The clippers and trimmers in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.